Okay, this is whacked because I'm listening to headphones while I'm walking. I'm in this fucking area. It's kind of fucking creepy looking, actually, and it's kind of mushy down the back there. I just came from around that bend. Oh, I got a critter on me. Kind of funny. You think someone's following you, even though I don't hear nothing. I don't hear no rustling. I just got this notion something's looking at me. But as you can see, the foliage, there's a bit of water here. See? They're just bits. But them big fucking trees. And a lot of dark places to hide. Ledges, trees, you name it. It's all up there. Kind of weird. Oh, Widowmaker. Great. Standing under a Widowmaker. Look, see the Widowmaker behind me? Look, right there. Isn't that bad? Just sitting up there waiting to fall on someone's fucking head. And that one too. Oh dear. But yeah, I got this strange... What was that? Okay, that was weird. Okay, no, I don't know. Oh, no. But, yeah, I feel like now I'm being followed. I could be psyching myself up. But look at this. There's all these weird game trails, look, that no man could climb because his fucking lazy ass wouldn't want to go up it. It just goes up and up and up. And there's a lot of dark foliage there. Oh, fuck, more water. I think the tide's coming in here. I know, there is no tide here. I'm not stupid. I just was being fucking... Oh. That's a big canine track. Yeah. Look at that. Look. That's a big canine. Oh, here's another one in an opposite direction. Well, that's kind of freaking me out now. Did you see that? Look at that canine track, right there, look. Right there. Look at how big it is. Yeah, that's fucking big. Huh. A rather canine than big bear. Oh, that's a bigger canine track. That's kind of fucked up looking. Weird. Oh, look at this. That's definitely one. I gotta shut this off, take a picture of this.